Welcome to Street Stunning, and today we're working on the vet, but not this one, that one over there that's been broke for like 5 years. I've never had it running since I've owned it. I bought it, and like a month later the engine was blown after driving it maybe just a couple times. But anyways, I ordered some parts. They've been sitting around the garage for a while. I got this transmission mounts, or I don't know, differential mounts, whatever you want to call them. I bought the stock ones because at the time I wanted to somewhat street that car, but at this point I think I'm just gonna make that a track car and keep this as my street car. I also got me a what is this? A drag sway bar, and it's from LG. So I wish it would have came in red or black. I'm not a big fan of this blue. Maybe if it was Lagini blue it'd be cool, but it's not. And it also came with these rubber mounts. I'm not sure what they're called, and these sway bar links. The stock ones are a little more janky. These are adjustable. You can, turn them, get them to where you need them. It's depending how you adjust the sway bar. So I'm not too sure how we're gonna adjust it or how we want it, but we're gonna install them. I want to get that rear cradle ready so I can just drop that tranny in and get that whole rear cradle in the moat or in the back of the car. But see how it goes. Alright, so we're gonna start by taking out the tranny or differential mount. Boy, was that dirty. And that differential being locked or cracked. Look at that. Clean that up a little bit. First, let's take the other side off. Have it. Oh, wasn't that bad. Except what I'm noticing is mark my spot. Seems like you have to align it. I guess we'll guess. Let me clean this up. Okay, we all done with the trans mount. Look how nice that came out. I had to shave this down to clear the 15-inch wheels. Look at how nice that is. Smooth. They didn't do that at the shop. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to take this guy out. Boom. But I don't know if you see, I need to put this in there to hold it from not spinning. But I'm gonna attempt it anyways. Hopefully it just comes off. I'm not gonna reuse these anyways. So with it, and if it doesn't work, I guess I'll have to get a different tool to do it. Safety first, ear protection. Yep, that's not gonna work.
Perfect.
There's the first one. Apparently this one's loose already. There you have it, just like that. Well, there you see a comparison to the stock one and the LG Motorsport drag sway bar. I don't know, we'll see how it works. As you can see, it has 3 points where you could adjust it. This one don't have nothing, and these just aren't gonna cut it. So let's mount the new one. Okay, so these just go in like that. Just have a boom, and then just slide it in, just like that. And there you go, voila. We put this guy in there like that. Boom, if it's nice in there. Just twist it however you need it. Oh. Alright, I think I got this figured out. I'm not sure. Washers here, so it can give some space to allow the sway bar to pivot and move around, do what it needs to do. So put them already on both sides. Now this guy goes like this, goes in. Okay. Then I need washers up here too. Goes like that. And then has 2 more washers up on top. Right here. If you can see. Bam. And then you don't want to cross thread this up on top because it'd be a nightmare. Goes to your rear cradle. Okay. Just that so. Going like this. Now you need to make sure that this angles down because your mufflers go right here. And that's just how it goes. Okay, so then it goes like that. And I can't remember what bolts went on there. Is it these two? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Now this is where it gets a little confusing. Because this has top or bottom, I'm not sure what it is, but LG sent me some instructions that are kind of vague, but you can see that's how they go. So let's attempt to do the same thing. So the big part goes down at the bottom. Oh yeah. I want to put a washer here so this metal piece doesn't dig into my aluminum. So I kind of do this, and like that it protects it from getting damaged. So the bottom piece goes as so, but I'm doing it wrong. As this goes like this, and then the big piece goes in, and this guy goes in. Oh, I got the washer. The washer protect the aluminum. The arm. Okay, it goes down like this, and then it goes like this, and then you got your bolt. That's what it looks like. Okay. Now this goes like this. I don't know, man. You're supposed to do this when the car is sitting on the ground, so the 8 arms are up, you know, so they go up. But for now we're just gonna do it like this, and then once we get it in the car, we'll adjust everything the way it's supposed to be. But like I said, doing this all wrong. Okay. According to this, it goes like this. Oh, messing up already. The little one goes back here, and the big one goes right there, and then this goes as so. According to this. I don't know. Does that look the same? I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so now we just need to do the other side the same. So we said this one goes to the bottom, right? Make sure, because you get lost very easy. Okay, so it goes like this. The washer, big one, washer, big one, washer, little one, and then this guy goes in like this. Oh, oh my god, wrong hole, fool. this is gonna get adjusted once we put it on. Once we put the cradle on the car, we'll lower it, and then I'll adjust this so it doesn't have a preload. But as far as that goes, that looks like it's good. Now we just need to tighten these bad boys. Okay, so that's done. So we just need to torque them down. See how it moves. Do that. These are not gonna get tightened. Not too worried about them. No. I'm probably gonna have to take them off and adjust them. I'll just leave those like that. That's about right. Alright, we're gonna torque them down. What the hell? It's not popping. Uh-oh. There we go. Still pop what we're looking for. Bam! All done. Alright, boys and girls, it looks like we're done. We torqued these down. This guy too. We didn't do anything with the sway bar links because the car needs to have a load on it, so it don't have no preload. And what else? What else? We did the trans mounts or differential mounts, however you want to call it. But looks like we're done for today. This wasn't that hard. It was easier than I thought. But if you like the video, you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.